Hi, I'm Jennifer Bagley with CI Web Group, and I'd like to thank you for taking some time to learn a little bit about our marketing programs for HVAC companies. If you're in heating and air conditioning, you're probably challenged with, how do I make buying decisions when it comes to technology, marketing, or advertising? I understand it's a complicated process. Sometimes we don't know how to pick the right vendors or even what questions to ask the right vendors. Ultimately, we can also be faced with, do I hire someone internally? With all of these different challenges, most HVAC companies wind up year over year going through a process of hiring and firing, or they're literally in a place where they get stuck and they don't feel like digital marketing, technology, social media, or SEO is right for them, simply because they haven't done it right. Now, this is not a difficult problem. Our team of experts has the ability to assist you in properly building a platform that showcases your company as incredibly professional, educational, and a trusted service provider for anyone who's interested in improving, fixing, repairing, installing, or maintaining their air conditioner, their ductless units, or their heating units. Whether you focus on indoor air quality, geothermal, air conditioning, heating, or you're a specialist in ductless, no matter which brands you represent, if it's Carrier, Nate, or Mitsubishi, or Daikin, we're going to be able to help you properly showcase your products, your brands, your services, as well as your expertise, and identify those things that make you stand out in a crowd. Your consumers are searching for your products and services online already. It's important to make sure you're properly positioned. And when they get there, they instantly feel that this is a safe and comfortable place for them to contact and do business with. This is a lot of money for a lot of homeowners, and so it's important that there's a sense of trust when they get to the site, and that you provide them with some education, knowledge, and expertise that allows them to help ask the right questions, or be able to compare different products or compare different services, or figure out how, by implementing a ductless air conditioning system, that they're going to be able to save a tremendous amount of money. Maybe your customers are interested in understanding financing options or rebates that are available through different manufacturers and products. Regardless of your situation, even if you concentrate on other areas such as plumbing or electrical, we're going to be able to help you put together the right strategy so you can take your business to market, leverage today's communication devices in the form of web, search, social, mobile, video, to be able to grow your business, reach new consumers, and automate many of the struggles and operational inefficiencies that you have going on today. Bottom line is, we're here to help. Through our team of experts, you can check out different portfolios that we've done, take a look at some of the before and after photos from some of the projects we've worked on. You guys are in a incredible industry, and we want to make sure that you're properly positioned to compete today, tomorrow, and in the future. I just wanted to say thank you for taking time to visit with us about your goals and aspirations in your business. We look forward to helping you build the proper systems and infrastructure to take your business to the next level and achieve accelerated results.